Agitavach everyone, and welcome back to Flix It Yourself Tip 35. Thank you so much for all the feedback, questions, and suggestions for everyone. This week we'll bring up one question someone wrote to us last week. It's actually a very good question, and we'll address it this week. This question is like this. First of all, thank you so much for your DIY, FIY program that you have. It's very interesting. Thank you so much. As someone that recently got married and I love DIYing, I would like to ask you, what tools would you suggest I should purchase? Shouldn't cost too much, but I should be able to do all types of DIY stuff around the house. Thank you so much again. I really appreciate your help. Okay, so this is a very good question. So I purchased some stuff to show you for under $400, around $400. You could purchase literally anything and everything you would need in order to do any DIYing around the house. So let's start with the power tools. You could buy for $2.91 on Amazon a Ryobi set. It's cheap, works pretty good. You get a flashlight, a multi-tool, you can cut all types. You get 2 batteries and a charger, 2 drills, impact and a compact drill, and a circle saw. All this for under $300. So I would suggest if anyone wants to have power tools and doesn't want to spend too much, Ryobi would be the good option. After that, if you have all the power tools, you want to have the bits for it. You could buy, this is around $60. I'll send you the link. You can literally get anything and everything, all types of bits, drill bits, anything and everything you would need in order to be able to drill into masonry, wood, metal. It's amazing. Around $60, this one over here. And then I found this one over here on Amazon Basics. It has amazing reviews. And look what comes with it. This is for handheld tools. And it comes with anything and everything you would need. And hammer. A little saw over here. Here, some clamps. This is to cut electrical wires. A leveler, a tape measure, screwdrivers, pocket knife, some anchors, Allen keys, anything and everything, the tape measure, anything and everything you would need. And this one is, let me check it up what this one is. This costs $65. And this one is $78. This is $78, this is $65. So it's pretty cheap. If we're talking already, those are the 3 things I would suggest. Now, take a look at this one over here. If we're already talking, I would suggest that you buy a first aid kit. It's pretty cheap. How much is this one? $18. You can buy a first aid kit. Over 160 pieces. Band-aids, ointments, Tylenol, burn creams, all types of gauzes, ice packs. It's always good to keep in your car or your house. It's a lifesaver. And the last thing is a fire extinguisher. Very important. You can get 3 is $40 for 3. Very easy to hang up. You just have to put in 2 screws. And chaz v'shulam, if there's a little fire by the oven or something, chaz v'shulam, if you use water, that's very dangerous. You have this under your cabinet or in an accessible place. Just pull out this piece over here, and this is a lifesaver. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful week.